Over here, I have some bell peppers that I've already washed and removed the seeds. I'm just going to cut them into small bits for easy blending. I also have some tomatoes that I've already washed. So I'm just going to make an X sign on the tomatoes using a knife. This is for easy peeling. I'm going to tell you where this will be needed, okay? I transfer into a pot and pour enough water to cover them. And then I boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I take them out of the pot and I peel the skin of the tomatoes for a smooth pizza sauce. Now guys, this is where making an X sign on the tomatoes comes in handy, like it makes the job a whole lot easier. So that's done. Now I'm going to remove the seeds of the tomatoes for a smooth pizza sauce as well. After that, I cut the tomatoes into tiny bits in order to help the blender. I transfer into a blender along with some Scotch bonnet pepper and the bell pepper. And I blend until it is smooth. After that, I set the pot on medium heat and I pour some vegetable oil. I throw in the garlic, followed by some onions, and I'm going to fry for about a minute. After which I pour in the tomato puree. Followed by some tomato paste. I stir properly to combine. And I cook for about 5 minutes on medium heat. After about 5 minutes, I add some thyme, some curry powder, some salt, and some sugar. I'm adding sugar to remove the sour taste of the tomatoes. I'll cover this up now and cook for about 10 minutes on low heat. After 10 minutes, the pizza sauce is ready. As it is now, it is ready to be used, or you can store in the freezer for future use. Remember to subscribe if you like this video. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.